We're at the 4-year anniversary. They started this project 4 years ago. Still not done. Now the birds back here are going crazy. Look at them all. God knows what they're serving back here. But that's an awful lot of birds. There they go. We're in the back and you see all the railing that was put up. Look at this. We're getting furniture in here now. Wow. Got beds and belongings. Table. Chairs for the dining room. For these nice lamps to light your dining room table. And here's the range. Beautiful range. 6 burners. Very pretty. Wow, that oven. I think they got like a smart oven. Look at that. And they put the nice covering over it. They should have some nice coverings for this. And those soon as well. And a nice hot and cold water dispenser. Nothing happening here yet. There's still a lot of work to do. Got some more furniture down here, and a bicycle, and all kinds of stuff happening here in the basement as well. Sometimes I wonder why these guys don't ask me to open the doors for them. Obviously they're coming in through this window. We'll put an end of coming through this one. They just locked this one up. Look what they're doing to the floor. And as you can see, all the drainage pumps this basement is installed. I thought there'd be a big old unit coming out of here. We're on the 2nd floor. This is the bedroom that's more northwest. Here's the bathroom for that. This is sort of like their library study room. That's just beginning to furnish these rooms. 2 beds in each room. Interesting. Washer and dryers. Beginning to install them. These must be the washers, and these be the dryers. I wonder if there's a thing like a kosher washing machine and a non-kosher washing machine. Here's the master bedroom. You got beds in there and some rugs. It's the closet. They start to put up there, bars and stuff. And here's the bathroom again. Continuing on the 2nd floor, we got this smaller bedroom. And we have another bedroom. And this one just has 1 bed in it. But we have more beds downstairs. They gotta bring them up yet. Here we are on the 1st floor again. I'm just noticing, you know, they do this a lot. Forgotten electrical work that they forgot to put in. Geez, this room I thought was gonna be a closet. But they turned it into the bathroom, you know. Chandelier up there. You really can't see it. We're at the front door, and I see they came in and they just piled in all this belongings of theirs. They're moving over here. Boxes I pulled in before. It was for all these lights, outdoor lights. Here's where they used to have the generator, and they're going to be reinstalling that. But they did install that gas underneath the ground across the front of their house, and that goes to the pool. And so they put in all this extra plumbing for the gas. I still don't know what they're going to do with these guys. Look at that. Yeah, and fall is here. Everything on it is dying. And that is the tree of Christmas, by the way. All those spotted lanternflies are hiding out. There's the 2nd van that they put in. On November 8th, they brought these dozers in, not to plow down that pile, but to plow down that pile. Here in the backyard, the plows came and they're putting dirt, soil down, leveling off the property. Here's how it looks like. Without that old pile of dirt back there, you can see where the yard ends. And if you look carefully, remember I showed you where the fox live? That's their den right there. The entire yard where they could have put this pool. But they put the pool in the only place there were trees. to drop their leaves into it. This is what the house looks like from the back. Well, it's November 10th. They came in, they took out all the bathroom and all the sidewalk that was over there. That was for the driveway. And they're spreading soil all over the place. Mound of dirt's gone. They leveled it all out. This is going to be the driveway. This is the bush on the side of the house. I'll show you that now. And this is the south side of the house, and this is the bush they were cutting. They should have cut a little more. There was that wires going right through it. Well, we're in there. I guess this is the south, not the north side. The northwest side. It's the study where they come in and they do studying. And this is what they see from this room. Hey, and they got water. Look at this. Oh, well, maybe not here, but they certainly got it for the toilet bowl. Let's see. Let's see if this toilet bowl flushes. Oh yeah, they have water, they have sewer. It's the hallway. I'm assuming that they're pretty much done up here. View from the washing machine room. Let's go to the basement. Working down here, it looks like. Not really sure. They're cleaning up down here. That's what they're doing. Oh, why is that like that? I don't know why they got this facing into the window. I don't even know what it's here for. Ah, they repaired this. Remember I showed you before? It must have been a leak or something. And there's the sump pump. Gas is in the middle of their driveway. I wonder if they're going to move it. And this is how it looks on November 10th, 2023. It took them 4 years and 2 months to get to this point. Looks like they repaired this water line. Remember this got broke when someone installed their soil. We're getting a beautiful sunset here in Long Branch, New Jersey. As I look south. Herbert was here all week, and look what they did to the refrigerators. They don't even look like refrigerators. Let's open it up and see what it's like. Look at that, man. Whoa. Now that is a refrigerator. We still have to put that medicine cabinet in. Installed the dryers and the washing machines. What I really don't get here is, why did they install it on this side, blocking their window? How come they didn't install this on this side where I think it's supposed to be in master bedroom's bathroom? This is an interesting little way of doing things. All I can tell you is that is too high, or this is too low. They're gonna have to get a new faucet, obviously. Opens. It opens out. That's the way doors are supposed to open out for these bathrooms. But here in the master bedroom, the door goes in. They installed this thing backwards. This master bedroom is done wrong, from the shower to the medicine cabinets. We're gonna have to go into the basement and see if these are protected circuits like they're supposed to be in the bathroom. But I don't see a place to push. You know, it normally has some here, push here, break, start. I'm searching for the correct circuit breaker that you would find for, you know, your bathrooms and stuff. So you don't electrocute yourself. No, I'm not saying I'm an expert at this, but I don't see one. It looks like Herbert's been busy in here. He fixed this leak damage. Did a pretty good job. He's starting to assemble these things, but it looks like it's maybe a little too long. I showed you this, where the gas is. it's already getting destroyed. It's not a good idea. Well, they came today and they are working on the driveway. This is where the driveway is going to go. So I'm going to put some sidewalk here, but nothing over here. And more sidewalk over here, leading up to the driveway. And here's the yard, all smoothed out. Remember that gas that was coming out of the ground over there? Well, they took it completely out. Look at that. The gas line was over here. There's no mark out, tag out over here. So what the hell's going on? Well, it's the end of December. And they're putting in the driveway and the sidewalks. They came today and they preparing the driveway for the cement. This is how it looks on the north side. You know, they had to build it up because you want that water to flow down. Got it up level with the garage, well, somewhat. Fill this with soil, probably be a little garden here. See where that blue line is? I guess that's where the cement is going to go, about that far up. Yeah, they still had to figure out what all that staining is coming from. Well, they put the covering over the dishwasher, which is right over here. See? And there it is. I sure hope they finish bringing in all their heavy equipment for this yard, because now that they put the driveway in, there's no way they're going to get a bulldozer to come back there. See all this stuff here? There's closets. And what they're doing to this right here, this is all Herbert's handiwork. And this is all Herbert's tools. Herbert does a darn good job. They installed the lights in this bedroom in the basement, and Herbert's putting another one of these in closet cabinets. They're putting labels on everything. Nice. Herbert must be on his way, coming up here and finishing the little details like this on the stairway and over here. And here's the driveway. And this here is the south side view from the master bedroom. They see plenty of rooftops. Basically, they got a lot of privacy here. Oh, they still haven't, fixed these faucets so they can open up the medicine cabinet. We're going out of the service entrance to the garage, and that leads to the front entrance. So, today's Friday, December 1st. Now there's no way they can bring heavy equipment up and down this thing again. Now that, whatever is done with heavy equipment is finished. The problem is I guess they're gonna have to carry the fences in and everything like that, and everything for this pool they're gonna have to carry in, because there's no way they're gonna bring a dozer or a vehicle back here. They installed an outdoor outlet, put the driveway in today. Well, the driveway is kind of much higher than the wall here, so I'm wondering if they're gonna make this wall higher. And here it is, going to the garage door. We're just a couple days away from Hanukkah now. The deer are still coming back here. See the deer print? I'm not going to be able to bring any more heavy equipment through here to do any work in the back, because all you got is about 6 feet, if even that. The inspector just came over to give a final inspection to the place, but he couldn't do it. The reason why he couldn't pass this today is because it's not finished. And he said to me that he's been over a couple times thinking it was, but see, on the north side of the house, this room isn't finished yet. And we're seeing some kind of settling going on here. It's not a good sign when you see cracks in a new house. This is the bathroom for that north side window, and if you can see, it's cracking. The tiles are cracking all around this toilet bowl. See that crack? And Another crack, another crack. So the inspector saw that. When the inspector came down here, he saw all this stuff, all this building materials, and he realized that down here it's also not finished. Herbert's still working on cabinetry inside these closets and everything else. And here's a little bit more electrical that they added. And the inspector saw all these hanging wires. Again, it wasn't finished. He's not going to pass it. This is the south side basement bedroom. We still have unfinished pieces here. On the second floor, we have these bathrooms. We have these faucets, and we talked about this before. So the inspector said no to that.